Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. The point a comma a satisfies a linear inequality y less than or equal to mx positive 1 and a greater than 0. The value of m must be greater than or equal to what value? Okay, first let me write this inequality as it is. That is y less than or equal to mx positive 1. Okay, the question says that the point a comma a satisfies this linear inequality. Since the point a comma a satisfies the given inequality, we can plug in the exponent a for this x and the y coordinate a for this y. Okay, now let me plug in the y coordinate a for this y and the x coordinate a for this x. Then I'm getting a less than or equal to m times a positive 1. Okay, now my aim is to solve for m. So I have to isolate m. Okay, now first let me get rid of this positive 1. For that I have to subtract 1 from both sides. So when I do so, this positive and negative 1 will cancel out. I'm getting a negative 1 less than or equal to m times a. Okay, since my aim is to solve for m, I have to get rid of this a which is multiplied by m. So let me divide both sides by a. So when I do so, this a will cancel out a negative 1 over a less than or equal to m. Here we have less than or equal to m. But the question is asked us to find the value of m must be greater than or equal to what value? So if I want to get this statement exactly, that is m must be greater than or equal to over here, what I need to do is I have to switch these two quantities. That is, so the quantity we have on the left side should be on the right side and the m must be on the left side. So now let me switch these two quantities. When I do so, I'm getting m and I'll have a negative 1 over a on the other side. So in an inequality, whenever I switch the quantities on the left side and right side, I have to flip the inequality sign. So already it's less than or equal to. So since I switched these two quantities, so I have to flip this inequality sign. So when I flip it over, it will become greater than or equal to. So then we get m greater than or equal to a negative 1 over a. So now we get this statement exactly over here. M must be greater than or equal to. So m must be greater than or equal to a negative 1 over a. But do we find this stuff in any of the options? No, we don't find. Okay, so I think we have to do one more simplification, that is m greater than or equal to. So here a is the common denominator for this a and negative 1. Since a is the common denominator for the a and negative 1 in numerator, so we can take this denominator a separately for this a and separately for this one, and we have to subtract the two fractions. That is a over a, we can take this negative sign as it is, and 1 over a. Okay, now m greater than or equal to, so when you divide a by a, it will become 1 negative 1 over a. So m must be greater than or equal to 1 negative 1 over a. So I find this stuff 1 negative 1 over a in option C. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.